AutoPot XL module. The AutoPot XL module is supplied with a 25 litre or 6.6 gallon pot, a tray, a lid, an aqua valve and a length of pipe. The black and gold round root control disc is placed inside the pot gold face down. Then take your aqua valve, remove the collar, thread your pipe through the collar that you've recently removed and push the pipe onto the aqua valve and tightening firmly. Then locate the half moon on the back of the aqua valve with the T-section in the tray and press down firmly. This will ensure that the aqua valve stays in the tray and doesn't float when the water comes into the tray. Then take your lid and place it over the aqua valve. Your AutoPot XL module is now set up.